How to add family member in Deezer app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add family members on your Deezer app. In order to add family members on Deezer app, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then log in into your Deezer account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on the home page, click on the gear icon to open the settings app. Next page, tap the account management options from right in between. On the other page, you'll be taken to the account management page, and over here you need to scroll down a bit and head over to the section of my subscription plan. Click on it. As soon as you've done that, select subscribe or switch to Deezer family to upgrade your subscription. Now when you access Deezer family as an admin, you can invite up 5 family members to share the subscription. Now there are 2 ways to add family members. The admin may send them an invite link and they can use their own email and passcode to log in into their individual account, or the admin can create a new profile using an admin account credential. If you switch to Deezer family for your premium account, you become the admin of the family subscription. To invite the individual account to the family plan, click on the gear icon in the upper right hand side corner. Next page, go ahead and tap on the members button. After that, you need to click on add members. Click on the create profile button. Pick independent account. Next page, choose how to send the invitation link, and the invitation link are valid for 30 days. If the link expires, your family member hasn't joined yet. Follow the above steps to generate a new link once again. Although you can invite individual profile, you can also create new profile with an admin account. In this way, you can add family members on your Deezer account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.